Horace, Ars Poetica, Episode 4. Scimus et hanc veniam petemusque damusque vecissem, sed non ut placedis coeant im mitia non ut, serpentes avibus geminentur tigribus agni. Now in reply to the rebuttal about how poets and painters should have license to do whatever they want, Horace says this: I understand that, we know that, here I would say the plural for the singular, I know that, and this freedom, or this permission, I both seek and I grant in turn, vicissem. But, he says, I do that not in order that hard things or rough things might be joined with pleasing things or soft things, not so that snakes could be joined with geminentur, birds, not so that with tigers, tigribus, lambs, may be joined. The syntax here in the grammar, relatively simple. We begin with a finite verb, first plural, present indicative active, from fourth conjugation, scio, scire, and like I said, I believe we should take this plural as a singular. I know this, and petemusque damusque. We ask for and we give, so he as a poet asks for and grants this kind of freedom, hanc veniam, this permission, license, forgiveness. This is a feminine singular accusative, first declension noun, object of both petimus and damus, and then vicissem is an adverb. We both ask or seek and grant that kind of permission mutually. But we do so, and then we have some purpose clauses. Notice how the non is outside of the ut. Not in order that im mitia, things not gentle, not mild, might be joined to things that are gentle or mild. So he's talking here about the concept of conformity or suitability. We can't just shove things together willy-nilly, you might say. And not in order that, so once again, a purpose clause, and the non is outside of it, not in order that serpentes, here's our next subject, this one masculine plural and nominative, like im mitia, the subject of coeant, was neuter plural and nominative, not so that snakes, geminentur, might be joined to birds, avibus. So this is going to be a feminine plural and dative with this passive subjunctive geminentur. A similar thing is observed at the end of the line with agni in the masculine plural nominative, just like serpentes, the nominative, and imitia, the nominative. The verb is supplied, not so that lambs might be joined to tigribus, tigers, and this will be masculine plural and dative. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the lesson, please press the like button. Don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment.